This is Roy Elliott with Roy Elliott Art and Customs, and welcome back to another video. Hey, listen, this shoe right here gonna hit a little bit different. Why? Because it has been long awaited for my friend Apostle Ray McQueen out there in Lynchburg, Virginia. Now, I'm gonna tell you, we already started this shoe, but we had to start all over. The idea was that I was going to make Pastor Sharon McQueen the Breads and Pastor Ray McQueen the Royals. The idea was cool, but I wanted something more. Now, I knew Pastor Ray McQueen really liked the portraits that I've been painting on my last customs. So I just wanted to do something a little bit better than what I had originally thought of. I really didn't know who I could paint, but what I did know, I know I can call Pastor Sharon McQueen. She gonna give me the rundown. Oh my God. Hey, I just got off the phone with a very reliable source. A very reliable source. I just got intel on Apostle. I was in the middle of working on his shoe and I just got intel. So I'm gonna do something I've never done before. I'm starting all over. Yes, I am starting all over. This is where we were, but this is not where we're gonna end up. I guarantee you that. Now, we getting back in the video and we starting over. So let's go. Now, I've been seeing all of the comments. How do you do this? How do you do that? And honestly, I just left them unanswered. And if I want to help you become a better customizer, it's time. It's time to start answering those questions. So after acetoning all the black and the blue paint, I'm laying down a fresh coat of gray paint so I can see what's really going on. Surprisingly, it only took about 2 or 3 coats of gray paint. I didn't really want to see all of the smear marks and all of the blue strings and stuff like that. Came out pretty clean, I thought. Now it's time for the stencil. Is stencil cheating? I don't think so. You gotta have something like this in your tool belt if you want to get something done, and you need to get something done fast. Just because you use a stencil does not mean that it's going to come out exactly like the person that you're actually stenciling. You're definitely going to have an understanding of color theory, but for now, keep watching the channel, definitely subscribe, sit back, and take notes. For all you guys that's been asking me, how do I do this process? How do I do my stenciling? I don't understand. My stenciling is just not working out. Write all of your questions down. Stick them in the comment section and I'll address it in a future video. Right now, I'm just laying down my base coats, making sure that the sizing is there. And right now, I'm just adding on my black, getting all of the main body parts, the main part of the picture there. I could have stopped here, but I thought that if you wanted to see what was really going on, go ahead and add another layer to it. So I peeled up my black to see what I had, and this is what we look like. And so I wanted to add one more highlight before I actually go in and started to paint. So this is what stenciling would look like if you only use 3 layers. I told you, you got to put in the work. It is not automatic. This is not easy. excellence never happens overnight. So after about 35 minutes of painting and blending all of those stencils together, this is where the fun begins. Right now, I can definitely see that this shoe is going to be a success. So I'm feeling pretty good about myself right now, but I know that there's still a lot of work to be done. Now you ask yourself, why are there so many colors? Why is there red? I see green, I see orange, I see beige. Well, it's still a shoe, and you want to be able to coordinate with whatever it is that you got on. A yellow shirt, a beige shirt, a white shirt, turquoise, black. You still want to match. So right now, I'm putting on my Alpha Flex Aqua and a little bit of silver and a little bit of jet black and silver because I want those logos to pop. Why do I have these funny angles and you can't see nothing? Well, I'm on TikTok painting live. You wanted to know the process. Uh-oh, it's time for that 44. So I had to put on a lot of white because I didn't know exactly how big that I wanted the 44 to be. I forgot my stand, so I'm a little wiggly, holding it with my left hand, paint with my right. That boy cold. The 44 is on. Now it's time for me to paint that black. Not black, but Alpha 6 Jet Black. Not sponsored yet. So I threw on all of the logos. These are all the logos that's on this card. So I gotta make sure that all of the logos are on there real tight because we really can't afford to do too much touch up because Pastor needs his shoes. He already calling me, but I got him taken care of. Watch this. Oh, but wait. Man, I forgot to paint the other shoe. My man's got 2 feet. So I gotta catch up. I gotta add the turquoise in that Alpha 6 Jet Black, not sponsored yet. Now it's time to peel off these logos. It's coming out real clean. Don't look like I gotta do too much touch up. There go that 44. And that white came through. Now it's time for Hamilton. Still got a little bit of detail work, but as you can see in the background back there, I'm pretty close. I think touch-up is only gonna take about 15-20 minutes. I gotta add some detail to the hair. It's almost time to give him a call.
Oh, Hamilton. I love it, man. I love it.
Yeah.
Oh, my niece is gonna love this. She's a big Hamilton fan.
Yeah.
And then his face. Let me see his face.
Okay. Yeah, he got everything.
Got the braids. Those are sweet. Oh man, with the beard.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are sweet. That's nice right there, boy, with the shades.
Yeah, yeah. Here's the other shoe. I'm gonna move that one out the way.
Oh, the number 44?
Yeah, 44. With all.
Put it all the way across. Let me see the front of it. Put it all the way across. The 44.
Okay, hold on.
It's tight right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm a big Hamilton fan.
Yeah.
Oh, I love those. I'm gonna wear those when I go to the
Yeah, I think
yeah.
she told me flew out to Texas.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, going through
I see the Bose. I see the Sony.
the Tom.
What's that signature right there?
Tommy Hilfiger.
I see Hilfiger, yeah.
These are all of the logos that's on this car.
Those are sweet, man. Thank you so much. Who gave you this idea?
Man, your wife.
Oh.
I called her.
So that was the secret.
It was a secret the whole time. It was a secret the whole time. I didn't want to just give you anything. I couldn't.
Right, right.
I know you love them cars.
Teal looking jacket with that teal jacket.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That is bad.
You like what you saw? Got value from watching the video, or just want to become a better shoe customizer? Hey, listen, go ahead, like, comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel, man. We growing. 2022, I'm bringing some serious heat. Let's go.